In this lesson we will learn how to remove moles, lumps and other dirt from the face. You can download the image in resources. First I changed the name of the layer to before because I want you to see later the difference between before and after. To rename the image, simply double-click on the name of the layer, not on the square showing the view but on the name. Another option is to right-click on the layer and in the box that opens, select Layer Properties. I will leave this layer unchanged, so I copy the image. Just press Ctrl+J before making sure you have selected the first layer. I now change the name of the new layer to After. I move the layer backwards. To do this I just drag the layer and place it under the layer I want. Now I hide the before layer, just click on the eye icon next to the layer. Remember to click on the bottom layer again after to make sure we are working on it and not on the hidden layer. To remove the dirt from the face and still leave the skin intact, we will use a tool called a healing brush tool. To select it, we will go to the area of the tools and look for a tool that looks like a band-aid. If you do not see, press J and check which tool is selected. Then click on the little white arrow that appears next to the icon and a list will open for you. In the list you will find the healing brush tool, click on it. To work with this tool, all you have to do is find an area of clean skin near the moles, for example, then click Alt and while clicking with the mouse. Make sure the skin in the same place is similar to the skin on which the mole is located. What the tool does is take the texture of the skin from one place and put it in the place you choose. After you have selected the place and clicked on Alt in this place, leave the Alt and click on the mole. You will see that the software has stuck clean skin on the spot and it looks really great. If you do not like the result, press Ctrl+Z to go back. By the way, if you want to go back in Photoshop more than one step back, you will have to press Ctrl+Alt+Z. Now just pick another area of the skin and put it on the dirt. If you like the result, move on to the next dirt. This is the whole process. I'll show you now the before and after. Looks great, right? In the next lesson I will teach you how to add a smooth look to the skin in the right places. When working on a man's face you should add a little softness gently, in a woman you can add more. See you in the next lesson.